Hello guys, today we have the iLoter armrest cover. This is made for the Tesla's Model 3 and Model Y from 2021 to 2023. We're going to go ahead and see how it fits, how it looks, and also I'm going to show you the installation. The first step we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and open the center console. We're going to stretch the cover right here from the elastic part. We're going to go ahead and put it sideways like this, okay? And we're going to go ahead and slide it down, okay? This part is the one that feels a little bit more tight, so you're just going to continue carefully pushing it in. Once it's in, you're going to go ahead and kind of twist it like this, and you're going to pull it back all the way to the back. You can actually pull it from the back part right here, so that way it goes onto the edge of your armrest. Once it's installed, you're going to make sure that the elastics right here are not in the way of the lock right here. And this other one also is properly installed. The material is a premium material and it is scratch resistant and waterproof. It is actually meant to protect your original armrest from regular wear and tear and definitely keep your car looking better for longer. It definitely matches, the color on the seats. It looks perfect. The fit is very nice. The installation was very simple. I really like this, and then it even has the logo. I definitely want to thank you for watching and see you on the next video.